So let's test them out for capacity. I'm going to use my Nitecore IntelliCharger i4. This is the version 2 to charge these two batteries up and basically see how much they actually take. And after they are done charging up, I'm going to use the I'm having a bit of an issue getting a voltage on that one, so there we go. I'm going to use my IMAX B6 LiPro balance charger to check what the actual output of those batteries is, and as far as milliamp hours goes. And as you can see, they were shipped with some sort of charge to them because this one's already on halfway charging, and you know, that's what they call a storage charge, so that's normal. After they're done charging here, I will do a time-lapse test on the actual IMAX B6 LiPro balance charger to see how many milliamp hours they get. Okay, I got both these batteries fully charged, the NCR 18650Bs from Panasonic on my Nitecore IntelliCharger i4. So next I'm going to put them on the LiPro balance charger, or one of them, and I'm going to discharge them to see how much milliamp hours I get out of it. Okay, I'm going to discharge this NCR 18650B, the Panasonic, at 1 amp, 3.7 volts on my LiPro charger here. Let me get that into focus correctly here. There we go, and I will put it on time lapse just to make this much quicker. LiPro discharge, 1 amp, 3 volts. Let me check the minimum rating on that battery. Okay, I'm going with a default, so let's start this process here. And we're going to go to time lapse. Okay, there's the discharging all the way to 2.98 volts. We got 3,253 milliamp hours, which is, I would have to say, near perfect in the minimum amount of storage capability. Understand though that it would have probably gone to 3,400 had we gone all the way down to 2.5 volts, which is the minimum voltage which this battery should go down to. Now, my charger didn't take it all the way down to that. It took it down to 2.98, which is fine with me. Basically, this verifies that it is a 3,400 milliamp battery, and I will post the link to the seller of this battery on Amazon in the description. And, you know, like I said, if you look at the specs over here, you can see them, you'll see that typically it says it's 3,350 milliamp hours. The minimum is 3,250 milliamp hours. So, you know, we're there. So this battery's basically giving me exactly what it should have given me. Had it drained it all the way down to 2.5, I'm sure I would have hit more than 3,400 milliamps. But I don't like to take things to their maximum ranges. So at this point, I'd have to say this is a great battery. 3,400 milliamp hours. It will give you all that power, and you know, again, I recommend this battery. By the way, this is an unprotected battery, so there's no protection circuitry in it. Whatever you're going to put it into, make sure that it can handle an unprotected battery. In other words, it has protection circuit, that the device you're putting it into has protection circuitry built into it, because otherwise you may overdrain this battery, or you may overcharge this battery, depending on how you charge it.